Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Bestech Togatta here with me for a quick review. But hey, you know what? Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a comment down below because you know YouTube loves if you do that, and YouTube will keep recommending my videos. So that's gonna be fantastic and you're gonna feel pretty good, and that's a lot of karma points. So let's go ahead, check this guy out because there's something fantastic about this one. And that's the action. We're gonna check it in a second. So let's see, this is the Bestech Togatta. It's not a small knife, look at that. You got almost 4 inches for the cutting edge, and overall length for the handle is gonna be 5.3 inches. So not a small boy for sure. It is a titanium frame lock with some I think that's cross-cut micarta. It's very nice. At the beginning I thought it was carbon fiber, but no, that's micarta. It's a titanium frame lock with some anodization, kind of bronze, light bronze anodization going on for the clip, spacer and scales. You do get some nicely done micarta inlays. Look at that. You do also get some pivot collar. I believe that is brass. And blind screw on this side. By the way, this is a limited edition. There's only 50 of those made. And look at that. That's number 21. So yeah, you do get some nice stuff here, guys, like M390 steel, thumb studs. There's internal skeletonization on the scale. The weight is still there, but this is a big boy. Titanium pocket clip, tip-up carry only, but it's reversible. And overall, this guy is just pretty good. I mean, not a flipper, nice finger groove, feels pretty good in the hand, don't feel any hot spots, nice jimping, aggressive, functionally working, nice kind of tanto blade. What is really outstanding, maybe you can even use the fuller, yeah. What is really outstanding about this thing is the action. The action, I mean, deploying action is super satisfactory, but this is what I'm talking about. The closing action of this fella is just super, and I say super nice. Really, I don't want to say Shirogorov-like, but guys, very nice. It's pretty good. What I don't like is just this area here. They should have just chopped like that, not like that, because look at this. What is this? That's too much. I mean, right? I mean, yeah, see, like this way, yes, this way, no, at least for me. But anyways, let's quickly check the weight on this fella, because yeah, I can feel some substance in this one. Look at that, 4.97 ounces, so not a lightweight guy, but still the action is gonna make me forgive for the extra weight. So there you have it. If you want to know more, guys, please check out my full length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.